Hi everyone, Deb here. I have something a little different. I haven't done this for a while, but I have two Peachy Cheap deals that I purchased, and one of them came last week and the other one just came today. So I'm going to share them with you. This first one was a Peachy Cheap planner deal. So if you sign up for the Peachy Cheap daily emails Monday through Saturday, in it there's the main Peachy Cheap deal, and then if you scroll down there's always a Peachy Cheap planner deal, but it's not always really planner stuff. And then there also is the Coco and Reno die subscription and back items that they have, stamps and dies. Anyway, if you're interested. And the prices vary depending on what it is. But then if you click on I want one, it goes to their website and shows you a bigger picture of it. So you know, I made like a travel journal, which I haven't put anything in, but soon, I don't know when exactly, but soon, hopefully in the month of October, we're going to do a page in that together because a friend of mine, Sue, and I went to a place that's sort of local. It's like 40 minutes away, called Longwood Gardens. It is an old Pierre DuPont estate. Has beautiful gardens and a conservatory and the Pierre DuPont house you can walk through and learn about. But it's just beautiful grounds, and they're open. You can get memberships. My daughter actually obtained 2 free employee guest tickets, so she gave them to us because I got her a membership there last year, so she didn't need them. Plus she probably doesn't have time to go, and so we went and we had a wonderful day, although we were pretty sore by the end of the day. Anyway, the reason I'm telling you all that is because the first thing that I got was a Echo Park Let's Travel embellishments kit, and from what I had seen, I thought, oh, I could use that in my journal. Well, maybe. So I got 2 packs of ephemera, 2 chipboard. I got accents and I got phrases. Now I'm not going to open those because I know once you start punching out chipboard, they come out. So that says Cartabella. Online it said Echo Park. Is Cartabella made by Echo Park? Because these all say Cartabella. I don't know. I'm looking at my invoice and it says Echo Park Let's Travel. It says Let's Travel. Must be made by that company. I don't know. Anyway, this one, passport. I need to renew my passport. It expired in 2020 and I just didn't bother at the time. But now I need to get it renewed because I would like to travel. Paris. This has a lot of like overseas travel. Paris, London, and the Leaning Tower of Pisa. And then this one is more just generic travel, I guess. Discover hidden gems, wander and find, enjoying every moment, like a beach. London again, and maybe they're based out of London, I don't know. Baggage ticket. You know, there's a place near me called Valley Forge National Park. You know, George Washington had a battle there. Anyway, there is a monument similar to that in that park. Or at least there used to be. And then I got ephemera frames and tags. I don't know if I'll take them all out or if you can just see what they'll look like here. You get 33 die cut cardstock pieces, so they're nice. You can even use them on cards or something. And then this one is ephemera. So this one is frames and tags, and this one is ephemera. And it says journey. I can't read that one. I had an eye doctor appointment today, and my eyes are a little sore because of the drops and stuff she put in them, and bright lights flashing in front of my eyes. But I will have 2 new pair of glasses soon. Sunglasses, because mine broke, and regular glasses, which I'm long overdue for. We have London again, adventure, places I want to see. See, that goes in my, it was like my bullet journal, my bullet travel journal kind of thing. So yeah, I'm planning on using these, at least in part, for not my planner, but my bullet travel journal. Oh, and there's also this washi tape with the little cars and ice cream truck and the double-decker buses. I'd love to see that. But I'm more interested in the countryside and castles and things like that. So that was my first Peachy Cheap one. And it was $12.99 plus $4 basically shipping, $3.99 shipping. And then this one, next one, I got, it looks like I got free shipping. I don't know if that's right. No, I don't think that's, I don't know. It says flat rate. I think I paid something for shipping. This was $19.99. And I couldn't pass up because one of my favorite papers from the past, I didn't know they were still making anything. Maybe they're not. Anyway, it's K&Co. And this one is called Antique Garden. I couldn't pass it up. And they are 6 by 8 inch single-sided. It says simple face, so they're not, I did already take these tabbies off. Oh, so pretty, like meadows. Enjoy the little things. That's too big for a card, but they make a nice little frame. Some pink flowers. Beautiful floral there. So 6 by 8, you could make 6 by 4 cards, cut it in half, and there you have 2 panels. But the pattern would have to go the right way. So I don't know that I'll do that. That one's really pretty with the meadow flowers. And that too. Ooh, daffodils for spring. And all the beautiful birds. Oh, I love birds. Oh, look at the birdhouse. And see this design? There's actually something that came with that. That's like a wallpaper floral. Tone on tone. Tulips. So this is very spring-like. Lemons and bees. Lemons and a lemon tree. Really cute. That's pretty too. I love the bright, vibrant colors on that one. Just all over tiny print. That's a nice journaling page, right? Except, you know, you can't really fold it in half and have it be a journaling page because then the lines are going like this. So I don't know. I'd have to do a card or something, a longer card, and do it this way, or longer journal spot and cut it the other way. Like a poppy field. Yeah, poppies. Beautiful wildflowers. I love that. And this one says love. I love the butterflies. It's on like a faux linen look kind of thing. Again, tulips on green. Happiness blooms from within. Butterflies. Script in some language. These look like cherry blossoms or possibly apple blossoms. Pretty birds again. I'm not sure what kind of flower, but on a bright yellow. Pretty flowers. Peachy color with, looks like tulips. Bloom with grace. Doesn't this look like China? And look, a pack of dimensional embellishments in that pattern. Those are so pretty. Are they, and it says 2021 K&Co, so I guess they're still making them. Antique Garden is the collection. If you, I mean, sometimes they repeat them. So, oh, that's gorgeous. Anyway, beautiful papers. And then there is a 197 piece sticker book. So let's look at that together. And I mean, I could see this for planner too, right? But it's almost too pretty to use it in a planner. They're very thick stickers. They're really nice. Oh, those are gorgeous. I could see making cards with those actually. Really pretty. 6 different cards. And you've got butterflies and bees and gold foiling on there. Family is everything. In full bloom. My darling, I adore you. Love. Today is a beautiful day. Today is a cold and windy and rainy day here, but it's okay. It's not pouring, it's just kind of steady, miserable rain. Bloom where you are planted. That's more planner stuff. These are really cute postage stamp items. They're, like I said, they're very thick stickers. They're gorgeous. The colors are just beautiful. Blues and pinks and oranges and yellows and greens. Gorgeous flowers. And then we have some words. You're so lovely up here, and a floral that pops out of that frame, and love. And these are bloom and grow, beauty, gather in the garden, love letter, make a wish, better together, new beginnings, antique, that's me, spring blooms, fresh cut flowers, do everything with love, fresh air and sunshine, flourish, grace, what a wonderful world, my darling. I won't use that because I don't have anybody to call that, and I didn't even before. Family and family is everything, graceful butterflies. I could see some of these on ATCs and things too. Do everything with love, lovely, so sweet. Anyway, really pretty. And then enjoy every moment, hello lovely, like lockets, stickers. Those are cool. I haven't seen anything like that before. Let's see what this says. Gather in the garden. My garden is a soggy mess right now, but a lot of other places are too. I feel actually blessed that I'm lucky that we live in an area that doesn't normally get hurricanes and tornadoes. Once in a great while, a tornado will come through, but like once in my entire lifetime so far we've had that. So that's the stickers. Then we have these large, what are these called, stickers or something? I'm not a big fan of these. I probably will use the butterflies and maybe the flowers and the bows, but the words are kind of too big for me. I don't scrapbook, so if you scrapbook, these would be fantastic. They're called Dimensional Icons and Sentiments. Today is a beautiful day, lovely day. I guess you could use that in a planner. And I could use this as a border on a card. And like I said, the flowers, the bows, the little swirly, the heart. I mean, I can use those things. But anyway. And then, I already showed you these. And then the ephemera. Wow, it's a lot. How many pieces? 10 foiled pieces. You can see some there, like picture frames. But how many total? Yeah, 2021. See, I didn't know K&Co was still operating. I love K&Co products. Yeah, so there's picture frames, birdhouses, dragonflies, some tags, some journaling cards and postcards, butterflies, I might have already said that, postage stamps, better together, anyway, and a locket. These are the sizes. New beginnings. I think they're just gorgeous. I can't wait to play. Sorry, I don't want to open the package right now, but this is showing. Come on, camera. Trying to show. There we go. That's everything that's in it. So if you're interested, and it comes up again on Peachy Cheap's or Peachy Cheap planners. This was on the actual Peachy Cheap website. So beautiful collection, or kit they called it, for $20. And then the travel one was, and it says flat rate shipping. I don't remember what it was. And this one was, well, see, I think it was $3.99 also. I am not sure, but this one was $3.99 via flat rate plus $12.99 for the item. So a little pricey, but you know, I don't have a Tuesday morning here anymore, and then it's like hit or miss if you can find stuff. And some of these, maybe it wasn't this one. Sometimes they'll say new collection, and I think that was kind of this, because it's 2021. That's only last year, right? So they probably just got the whole collection in. And I like that you get everything to match all at once, right? You know, so you don't have to guess. And yeah, they don't have like a price on these. And I'm so out of touch. I'm in sticker shock every time I go in the grocery store now. So I'm sure I'd be in sticker shock every time I'd go in a store to look at paper crafts or something, because I haven't been in the big box craft stores either for quite a while. So I'm hoping these are good deals, but honestly, I don't know. I just thought they were pretty and useful. Pretty and useful. Now I just have to make myself use them because I have a lot of product in this room. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Stay safe. Stay warm if it's cold where you are, or cool if it's warm where you are. Stay dry if you can. And please be thinking about all those that were in Hurricane Ian's path. That got a lot more than just some couple days of rain. Okay? Bye for now. Hugs, love, and peace.